Hello, I'm Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. We are professional steering wheel restorers. We restore steering wheels from all vehicles, from vintage, veteran, modern and classic, going back over a 100-year period. No matter what they're made out of, being Bakelite, celluloid, hard plastics, wood or leather, we can restore them. If you've got a steering wheel that's cracked, damaged or perished, we can restore it to its correct period condition. This is an example of the sort of thing we get sent. This is a 1929 Packard. As you can see, the Bakelite is cracked and falling off. The internal frame is rusty. We can restore that using our moulds to the correct period condition, or just make a new one. Whether we remold or restore, our moulds can recreate steering wheels like this one. There are a huge variety of vehicles fitted with steering wheels dating back over a 100-year period. There's buses, coaches, trucks, tractors, boats, planes, and of course cars. These have been made from Bakelite, or hard plastic, or celluloid, or cast in aluminium, or wood, or even leather covered. We can restore them all, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you want to get in touch with me, you can either email us or phone us. The phone lines are on 8 till 8, 7 days a week, and you get to speak to me. If you want to discuss the pros and cons of your restoration, whether you want a straightforward fix on your steering wheel, or you want a full-blown concours restoration, or you want to modify the steering wheel to make it bigger or smaller, or you want to replace something you've got and you want us to manufacture you something, or you want to change the colour, we can do all these things. I've got over 40 years of experience with vehicles and steering wheel restoration. Just call me. I'm available, say 8 till 8, 7 days, or if you're a long way away in a different time zone, email me. I don't mind chatting anytime, yeah.